If you want to become a UX designer before 2025 ends, you need to follow this 3-month plan I'm going to tell in the next few minutes. In these 3 months, you will not only learn concepts or tools, you will be actually working on freelance projects and build that personal portfolio that actually gets you a job. So let's get into the video. In the first month, you need to watch 2 to 3 UX crash courses on YouTube to get to know about UX fundamentals. I'll link some of the YouTube links in the description. And you need to learn about what is UI, what is UX, and what is the core difference between them. What are the usability principles, what are UX laws, what is visual hierarchy. And you need to learn every single UX concept. And also you need to learn how people are using AI in this field. That is very important in this AI era. Next, you need to learn about UX research, UI basics, and Figma basics. In UX research, learn about jobs to be done framework, user flows, user journeys, sitemaps, how to create information architecture of a product, and how to create sitemap of a website, and every single thing about UX research. In UI basics, learn how different components work. For example, how buttons work, where to use them, how input fields work, where to use them, how 404 pages work, where to use them, and all these things. And finally, you need to learn about Figma basics. Learn auto layout, learn variables, learn how to create components, and learn how to prototype in Figma. That's it for first month. You need to learn about UI basics, UX basics, and some Figma basics. And in the second month, you need to start creating mock projects. You can take any problem statement you find around yourself, or you can type this exact ChatGPT prompt and ChatGPT will give you the problem statement in that particular niche. So after writing problem statement, start researching about user pain points using the UX research methods you have learned in month 1, and create user persona, information architecture, user flows, user journeys, the entire sitemap or user flow of the product, and every single UX research method about the problem you're solving. Then start wireframing. So you need to create a very low fidelity prototype of an entire product so that you can test it with some of your friends or family members and get the initial feedback. And you can actually apply that feedback to the wireframes and create a version 2 of wireframes. Then start creating final designs and prototype with some basic design system. While creating final designs, you need to learn some design system concepts like atomic design principles and all that stuff. So while doing all these, document this entire process professionally, and that documentation is your first case study. When you create case studies like this documentation, recruiters will feel that authenticity in the project and chances of getting you hired will increases. And in the last one, the one case study you created in month 2 is your proof of work. So take that and create a shareable link, then start sending that link to some design leaders, some early stage startup CEOs or founders, and ask for genuine feedback and an internship opportunity. The goal of the internship is to not make money. Obviously, you need to take the paid internship. My first internship was 15,000 rupees per month. So the goal here is to not to make money. The goal here is to learn from industry experts and basically get to know how industry works. So if you want to take this internship outreach game to next level, I recommend you to shoot the entire Loom video with the case study open on your screen and explain the step-by-step process you followed while scrolling the case study, so that the recruiters will get to feel that this person is genuinely interested in working with us and this person has that passion for design. And start sending that link to some of the potential recruiters. You will definitely get hired by one of them. So this is the 3-month roadmap you need to follow to become a UX designer. Don't take any shortcuts. Learn every single concept out there. Put in some hours and learn every single concept out there. So that's it for today. Hope you got some value out of this video. Do subscribe for more content like this and see you in the next one.